Everybody say, louder. Say what?
Can we dance together this time? I can't hear what we used to do. Can I have some sound and lay back up that, lay back up singers today? Hey, that you know you so much to swallow. Baby, never hear it to call it a la. Watch your money if I wanna sit in a bit say that. To pop up cause I remember them days that we were. Now look at these days that we are. I say remember them days that we were. Now look at these days that we hey, and I'm all ever dead. Jesus, ooh, yeah. Let's dance. One more time, say. Listen. I can't hear. Sing along. My love, what can I say? Can't get it straight when you don't feel love is a thing, put your thing, put the thing, and your face now. Spaghetti, one cause of one cause of touch of the trees and take it inside. Hey, you were there, so come closer, let me give you some sugar. That's a fool's your mother, and I'm never ready to get up on fire. Listen in on them, and I'm going to tell my father, because I'm in love once I get up fire. Well, the people are. Some sugar. Now tell me who's your mother. You guys for 1 minute. I needed you to do this so that they can know that originals are originals and copycats are copycats. Everybody needs to respect the other, you understand? Now I need to put some things across. Now they say they have a house in Sulaku Street. There's really no problem, you understand? They're the ones with the budget, they paid me to make this show work, I am here. I'm trying to tell you something, all of that doesn't matter. There's so much they can do against my name, but they cannot do this that I'm doing right now. So every time I step on the stage, I need God and my voice, and it's gonna be okay. See what you need? Listen, you can get. Oh, I'm one game. What's in my one game? All right. I'm a guessing you're not being caught out. I'll be caught out and you're gone. What my sexy ladies are? Say my name, so I'm one day. not tonight. I'm not about hate. I'm not about love tonight. Sigenda kwesiba ku muntu atanjagala sigalayo nga tonjagala sirina buzima. You understand? Sigenda kwesiba ku batakola ki batanjagala. That's why I said if you're not like me, may not like you too. You know? I've been in this business too long to try and impress people who don't like me. But I've been in this business enough to humble myself and sing for you who love me. That I will do gladly. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for my choir today. Madam Severon Jr. Listen, how many times do I have to say I'm sorry for the wrong that I have done? Now somebody I want to hear you people. Permits me to praise God in one song. Can I praise God in one song? Just one, eh? Thank you, I appreciate it. Can I praise God in one song? Now I'd like all these people to come and join me today so we can praise God together. I believe that I wouldn't be here today without God. Do you guys believe it? I have so much working against me today, but I'm here. God, I am dressed for the occasion. Can all my choir join me on stage? All of my dancers, let's do this together for just 1 minute. Oh, my sea. man sing you one more. One more, let's do this for the people. I hope I take you to the center of Africa right now. Thank you. We're ready, man, Cindy.
Mr. Chisema Kura Ariao enyimba lina zonna size ekibyogamba tojja ku bato n'oyimba nyimba z'abantu balala. Ayogera bikyono yimba nyimba zo. What are you saying, brother? Yimba nyimba zo. What are you saying, brother? Yimba nyimba zo. Eyo bato Dougie, you don't know what you're talking about, brother. What are you saying? You don't know what you're